Hello there and welcome. How's it going? This is Mark Castillo, aka the Digital Marketing Warrior. Welcome to the Digital Marketing Warrior channel, the place to come to be inspired in creating your wealth. In today's video, I'm going to be showcasing yet another flashback video that I did way back in summer of 2018 as part of a video challenge series that I was doing at the time on Facebook. And though this is a few years old, this piece of advice still holds relevancy to this day, in which I talk about why it's so important to have your why figured out as early as possible when you get started in building your home-based business. Because without that why, it's going to be really hard to stay committed into following through until the finish to the end. So, with that said, enjoy this throwback video clip and enjoy the value that you will gain from these video clips.
So in times of struggle, during the times that we get knocked down, we totally forget about why we started something in the first place. So with the topic of entrepreneurship, I like to share my very own reasons why I have made a decision to get started with that. So it wasn't too long ago that I had just graduated from community college, and I was supposed to go on to a four-year university. And what ended up happening was it turned out that I was actually a semester ahead than I thought I was, because I thought I was going to graduate like towards the end of the year, but I ended up graduating like over the summer. And so I had missed the deadline for applying to university. And so what ended up happening was, I met up with a counselor of mine and at the school, and like he was telling me that you should be thinking about going to like all these universities, like maybe see about going to the ones in Arizona, since I had missed out on the one that I was planning to go to. And so, but here's the thing, guys. Tuition was really, really freaking high. And even if I got like, student loans and all that, it's like getting into all that student debt just didn't sound sexy to me. And so that was one of the main reasons why I started an online business in the first place, because I felt like, spending so much tuition on, enrolling into a college or a university, and then like, spending all that money to get that degree, which doesn't really do anything for you at the end of the day. And it's just like, well, by the time I like finish school and then graduate and then go to grad school, it's like basically with technology and everything that's upgrading these days, it's like jobs are going to become obsolete. And so that was one of the main reasons. And another reason is because I don't want to work a job for the rest of my life. I really don't like someone controlling my schedule, and then I have to give up things. Like, let's say I have something to do over the weekend, or, I plan to go out with some friends, or even spend time with family. And it's just like, I don't want to be giving up time that I can never get back for that. Because if I work a job the rest of my life, I basically let somebody else control my schedule and control my paycheck. And I just hate it when I lose some money from losing hours, from getting my hours reduced. And it's just like, what if you're relying on those hours to like make ends meet, and then now you have to go figure out some way to make it all happen, and then it's just like, it's just not fun, guys. I mean, even I've had like times where my bank account literally went like, past negative balance, and it's just not fun. So why do I share that with all you guys? I wanted to share that with all you guys because I want you guys to think about, why did you start entrepreneurship in the first place? Why is it that you started an online business and wanted to do this whole thing in the first place? A couple more reasons I want to share with you is, the first one being, something that I love doing is cosplaying. In other words, I like dressing up as costume characters and portraying and acting like them, getting to go to more Comic Cons. With starting entrepreneurship, like, I can actually have more time to actually do that, because that's something that I love doing. the why is so important as to why you start something in the first place. Because in times of hardship, in times when you feel like quitting, in times when you feel like giving up, think about those reasons why you started entrepreneurship in the first place. And if you just hold on to that, your big reasons why, if they are so strong that they are more than anything you want in the world, you're not going to give up. You're going to figure it out.